Hey, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to be working back on this 1971 C10 here, and I'm going to be getting some of the wheel wells and the rad support and all this stuff sandblasted today and hopefully painted. And then also the bed rails, I'm going to do sandblast and paint them today, and sandblast a few other parts for this thing. So this way, once I get this rad support and everything sandblasted, I can bolt it up here and put the radiator in, and then run all the lines and then fill it full of coolant. So then once I get it, I just got a few things left to do to get it running here. And then we can run it up, get it warm, you know, make sure everything's running good, and make it much easier instead of having to worry about getting hot and stuff. And then also I need to hook up this exhaust. But today I think all I'm gonna get done is probably get sandblasting all this little pieces in the hood, the latches. I think I have the hinges to do too. So I can sandblast and paint all them, and a few other little parts. So, and that's all just gonna go in like a semi-gloss black. So we'll get that all done here. And yeah, semi-gloss just because it's gonna go all original. So that's how it kind of was factory. Like the rad support was semi-gloss, the inner fender wells were semi-gloss, all the latches and everything were semi-gloss. Same with the hinges for the cab, and same with the rails. They're all just gonna be semi-gloss. So, but yeah, once we get all that stuff painted, and then I'm gonna start working on the body work on the fenders and the door here, and also gonna paint this little cover here. I didn't paint it yet. I don't know why I didn't paint it when I did the interior, but I guess I don't know if I had it sandblasted or not at that point. But sandblast that little piece too, and then I can paint that, and then this I can finish the sound deadening up on here, and then put the carpet in. The fuel tank needs to be cleaned up. I can install it, and then put the seat in, and start working on all this wiring in the dash here, because it'd be really nice to get all this kind of a little more together. But don't know how far I'll get that on, that today, but at least get that middle piece painted and also this stuff painted. And then in the next video, yeah, hopefully we'll get more of the other panels painted and start getting this thing together, because like it's been a long time, and I would like to get this one at least running and driving and kind of get it closer to getting finished up here. So it's been so long. Oh, and I just forgot about this drive shaft here, so I just got to finish walking out these U-joints in here, and then I'll get this all ready. Might as well sandblast and paint this while I'm doing all the rest of it anyways. Alrighty, so I got everything set up here to sandblast with a big old sandblaster and some pallets here. I'm just gonna, this is all the stuff I'm gonna do. Wheel wells and all these old rails, and a couple little pieces here, but shouldn't take too long with this big sandblaster. So just gonna fire up this compressor and everything and get going. It's nice and hot out today, so I'm sure this will be fun. Hung up here and pretty much ready for primer. And so these two things I'm going to do, this seems to be orange, and same with this goes straight inside the cab. It's the ashtray. So I'm going to do the sealer on the primer sealer on everything, and then I'll just paint the orange on them two pieces, and then just take them out, and then I'll do the black on everything else. And then yeah, it should be looking pretty good. It looks so nice when you sandblast all these things. It cleans them up so good. Like brand new. And then hinges. So everything's pretty packed in here, so it'll be a little bit of a challenge. I also have some running boards that Dad built. I got them outside here because they're just gonna get rockered, so they can just stay outside. So I'll just seal them and rocker them right out here. I'm gonna try, I think, putting a little bit of sand. A little bit of sand in the rocker, and hope that makes it a little more grippy for the running boards there. But I'll give it a shot and see what the heck happens, I guess. But anyways, I'm gonna blow everything off and then get ready for the sealer. So I'm a little bit short on the one kind of sealer, so I'm gonna do what I have with like the gray sealer, and then the rest of the sealer is like a green. And I mean, it really doesn't matter because it's gonna be semi-gloss black over it anyway, so it'll cover it no problem. But if you're wondering why it's gonna be two different colors, or some is gonna be gray, some is gonna be green. So, but anyways, I'm just gonna blow it all off and then we can get painting here. I already started everything painted here. It's looking pretty good. So I just did, it's got 3 coats of semi-gloss paint on it, and then 1 coat of sealer on everything. So these are like the seat mounts, the hinges, everything's looking pretty good. So gonna let this dry overnight, and it should be ready tomorrow to put together. I only really need the rad support right now and the battery box, and then I can put the radiator and stuff in it to get it to run there. So, but anyways, that's gonna be pretty much a wrap for today. And then I already took all these I already took these other pieces out of here, so I'll show you on this truck. So I had to paint these 2 other pieces orange here, but I just took them out after I painted them orange, and then I painted the rest black. So that's just the cover for the transmission mount here. And then once I put my rad support in, I can put the radiator in, hook up the rad hoses and all the other lines. And then, yeah, hopefully one step closer to getting it running. But anyways, that's gonna be a wrap for today. So if you like this video, hit that like and subscribe. Tune in for the next one. Turn on the notification bells, and yeah, you can watch this build come together. And hopefully, in the next couple weeks, get it a little more together. And I almost have the body panels ready to paint, so I'll be doing that up pretty soon here. But I would like to get it running first, and then finish up that body work. But anyways, thanks for watching, and tune in for the next one. Peace.